Hey guys, we're back. We're gonna be working on Mom's bike. Yeah. We're gonna start tearing it apart here. I hope my mic's on. I think it is. But yeah, we're gonna start finally tearing it apart, like sending things to paint, powder coat. So that's what we're doing today.
Oh yeah.
Dude, we got this thing out here. We got it on jack stands right now. My hands are shaking right now, but dude, this thing looks so sick. Badass. Love the jack stands. All right, what are we starting with?
Get the seat off.
Okay. So how do these bags come off?
Well, it's just held on by those two nuts. But
okay.
Here's the thing. I wanna set these real quick before I take them down, because then I can drill the holes. So we're going to be putting our brand new Clockworks Performance Bagger rear fender they just came out with, and I know it's going to fit. We're just going to see how it's going to fit. That means that we'll have Clockworks fenders on front and rear of this 23 Nightster, so it'd be cool.
So this front one has washers and the back one does not. Correct?
Well, I don't know how the final's going to be yet.
Okay. Oh, crap. They're getting painted anyway.
No! Okay, this is the setup that I want to see right here.
All right, I'm gonna take my sweatshirt off. Okay. Got mics on still. Sure looks it. Oh. Oh, so this whole piece is, what, did you have to order that all together?
It looks factory.
Huh. Oh, right, there was factory blinkers there, wasn't there? This piece is probably going to be our problem if we...
It's not going to be a problem. Just got to work around it. There we go.
Those zip ties?
I don't know that we need that anymore, so we might just relocate those plugs onto the new fender and not have that cause a problem for us anymore.
Okay, because you got... Yeah. Rookie mistake. Yeah, that looks killer.
Oh, there we go.
Yep. Okay.
That's what I need you to do, is push forward. We got to get the seat on here and see how that all fits now.
Okay. Oh, the other one was on the seat. I see.
So yeah, I think the front of the fender needs to dive a little bit and then bring the whole thing down. Pretty dang close.
Here,
Just
I'll
need
take
to
that
push
mic.
that forward like that, just like we're doing. Just you need to go from the.
Keep on rocking, baby.
I don't think I'm gonna. Maybe just a little on the bottom. Okay, Keegan. Now, if you can see, here's our 2 holes.
Yep.
Try and line them up the best you can.
Okay. You want me to do it with this one? Is that what you're saying?
No,
Oh.
over here, so I can stand back and look at it.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Pull away. Thing you're still pushing.
Yeah.
Okay. So the only issue we have then is the front is a little high.
We could also just have it where it sits in one spot.
Ooh.
Okay, now we can pull the fender. I gotta release the seat. Oh, it wasn't locked in. Okay. I want these to fit tight, so.
Okay. Did that just break off from the drill, that piece?
No,
Oh.
that's shavings.
It just looked like pure gold, like the bit.
Well, heat.
Oops. Just heat. That's all it is. It's just hot.
All right, now let's do some measuring. Okay, flip her over.
Hopefully it gives you the same kind of measurement there.
It surely is.
I mean,
Kind of right on the money.
sweet. That's good.
That's what we want.
That's a nice little bit.
Deburrs it, champers it,
Makes it look real nice.
cleans it
Makes
up.
it look factory.
Professional.
Professional. That's the way to. Yeah.
What'd you call me?
Factory?
Better not. Professional?
Professional? You don't like that word?
I'm teasing.
You're that Shane. He doesn't like being a call to
I don't
professional.
want it to ruin my reputation.
So we gotta call him an amateur, actually.
Okay, let's.
What do you mean professional?
Good point. All right, let's
That's a good point.
let's get that baby up in there
All right.
and get some bolts pushed through on the other side.
Why not? Have fun with it.
Okay,
Well, I don't see that over here.
I got you.
Oh,
All
I
right,
see.
so you both need to just hold it up, one on each side, just like I'm standing.
Okay. And the bag goes on there. Okay.
Now I got to match up the other side. The other rig
Currently
right
having
here.
a blast putting on Mom's fender right now. It's going so well. Right, Dad?
It's not going bad.
No, you're right. It's
I
not
mean,
going
I'm,
bad. It
I'm
could be.
liking the fit here. I mean, it's almost like they made the fender for the bike, which, hey,
We're just gonna have to.
I'm happy. Clock will be very happy.
All right. So it's almost like I gotta.
Skelton was the one that I had the conversation with about this build, and please don't lift up too much more because my arm is pinned
Okay.
in there.
Yep. I don't want to hurt you. Slam it up. Nice.
Yeah, but you
Hey,
know what?
What?
I don't think that's the right size.
You see that?
It's not.
Oh,
That's
no.
a 5/16, and I need a 3/8 washer. Here, I'm gonna go get one.
We had to mount the shocks upside down.
Ooh.
Get the bags to work on this.
Are these the shocks we're gonna use?
I'm gonna change them out.
They're pretty nice. They're not bad.
No. Supposedly these are really comfortable to ride on.
I didn't have
You're
a.
in the bike.
I didn't have a problem
around
riding it.
like the block.
I took a whole day, well, basically a whole day, and got to ride it. And the seat wasn't the best because it was the stock, but the suspension handled very well. So that's where I'm at with it. So we just got an inverted shock on it. We can call it that now. Inverted shocks. It's okay. It's pretty cool like that.
All right. Try this again, huh?
Perfect.
Everything goes on the floor.
fine.
That's protocol around here.
Yep.
Well, just remember, when this is all painted,
We got to do it nicely. We cannot just throw things around. Like, the problem is well, I guess we'll have the holes drilled at that point, but this rear
This
end.
has got to get shaved down.
that'll get
so-
cleaned up. That's kind of where I'm at now.
Hey, that
is
looks
to-
pretty good, man.
Yeah, that's a good looking fender on
Yeah.
there.
Matches really well.
Why would it stay on?
Yeah, it's protocol.
It's protocol, man.
All right.
White and orange Air Forces on. Yeah, dude. You gonna wear your white ones? Dude, we gotta look stylish.
Styling and profiling.
Yes, sir. What you got for us?
This hardware.
All right.
All right, here we go. Back to it.
We can build anything together. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Are you seriously singing?
I'm sorry.
Really?
I can't help it. Sorry,
You
Antonio.
can't help it?
No, I can't.
Oh.
I get that from you, mister. Sorry, I grew up on a really good age of music that I just can't help but sing it. You know?
I saw these guys in concert in Fargo, North Dakota.
Nice. You said Fargo?
Fargo, North Dakota. The
What a-
other
what a great place.
windy city where the Seaboys hang out.
Yep. What is even in Fargo?
It's a farm town.
Just Fargo?
They got a college.
All right.
Is that where
get up in
NDSU
there.
is? Is it? I don't like that.
Okay, there we go. So the easiest way is probably going to be get it on the tire and slide it forward. Oh, kind of like that. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I'm take the wheel off. Just put the.
No, I'm talking for just final assembly, I guess, is where
What
my
I'm
brain's
talking
going.
about. I don't want to take the wheel off.
Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah. You're not even gonna. There's no point. I'm understanding what you're putting down now.
Oh my. Well, does that look right?
That looks pretty good. I
We've
mean,
got to clearance this a little bit, so I'll take the.
oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I
This
see
will be
I
perfect.
see the spacing there.
Okay, well, we gotta get that hole and that hole welded up.
2 more on this side.
Let's put the bags on and see how it fits.
Okay.
Don't worry about the rear quite yet.
Okay. Patrick almost done with those brackets then, or?
They are done.
Oh, they are?
Yep. Just gotta reset the bearing and then cut the holes.
Okay.
Go on here. Well, there we go.
I think that looks good.
Other than
You don't touch.
I'm gonna trim the rear fender.
Look how precise he is with that. Yeah, $700 for a battery.
That's the new clock performance bagger fender.
Yeah.
Good looking fender.
That black FXR that
Yeah.
I did for Dave, the guy in Texas where I just got the blue one from,
Yeah.
he's selling his black one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he asked me if I wanted it.
How much?
Dude, it's pricey.
Yeah. Is it all done up though?
Oh,
Yeah.
SNS 124.
Oh.
Gym 6-speed.
Oh.
Fucking, we chromed. When I built that one, we chromed the swing arm, chromed the trees, chromed the lowers.
Oh my.
It's got everything, man. Yeah.
I've only seen few M8 swapped FXRs.
There's a few out there.
I've only seen, I think the only one we saw at Rally a few years ago.
Joey's build. You saw them at Born Free. What are you talking about? They were all over the place.
Were they really?
Yeah, you just weren't looking.
There was a lot to look at, okay? Come on. I can't be the only one thinking that. Come on.
There's a bunch of them, but there's only a couple that are done really well.
It feels good to go.
I like clean motos.
Yeah.
Their bikes are nice.
The fucking one, what's his name, did? So's his brother.
Yeah, Jay. Well, that thing, yeah. That's.
I mean, that's fucking 100, 120 grand bike.
Oh my gosh.
Well, problem is hand labor to do one. So that'll be another one that I don't need.
Well, hold on a minute. It's not that you.
Throwing that word around need when you're standing in a motorcycle shop.
I know.
The hell? I don't need.
I don't need it.
Talking stupid like that.
I have fucking 8, 9, 10 bikes.
I know, but you're using the word need. It's,
Oh yeah. Well,
What are
let
you
me
doing?
rephrase.
What
Let
are
me
you
rephrase
doing?
it. Let me rephrase it. Another project that I don't need to put money into. That's the difference.